Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are fit and fine. So today I want to discuss about my first project in HTML CSS and having Python and Django at the back end. My project name is My Blood Bank, having some sections like home, about, login, donate, gallery and contact us page. At the above of the project, I have provided the email and phone number of the blood bank. So in the home section, there is register now page. If you want to donate, you have to sign up by filling the details like first name, last name, email, phone, address, your blood group with additional note, and after that click on the sign up page. So the next section is about us section, in which all the details of my blood bank have been provided, including the subsection like our mission, make donation, help and support, and our programs. Next section is about the login section, in which you have to fill username and password and click on the submit button. Here you will find all the details like name, phone number and address of the donators in the admin home page. So the next section is donate section, in which you have to register yourself for the donating of blood. You have to fill details like first name, last name, your email, your contact, having username and password and also address, your date of birth, and select the blood group. And if you have any medical problem, you have to mention here. And if you don't have any medical problem, you just type no and click on the save button. All the details have been saving and will be included in the login section. Let us check. Go to login, submit button. Okay, so here is my all the details if that I recently filled, like Deep Kaur and my email address. If you want to view the request of the blood donators, you will see the request blood here. Okay, so next is centers button, in which all the centers which the blood bank have been connected, all the details of the centers are here like city, phone number, helpline and address. Also we have provided the information of who can donate blood and who can't donate blood in the blood bank. So the next section is stock section, in which you have to select the blood group and click on the search button. You will see the stock of the blood bank, stock of the blood, which have name, phone number and address section. So the next is gallery, in which all the pictures of our donators have been provided in this section. Next is contact us page, in which phone number and email have been provided, including the section of the stories which will inspire you, the stories of the donators that donate the blood to this blood bank. So this is all about my project. I hope you like it. So like and share it with your friends. Thank you for